Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for any crypto enthusiast: how to swap Polygon Matic to Solana using the Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or explore new opportunities, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you have your Phantom wallet installed and set up. If you have not done that yet, pause the video and get it ready. Now, let's jump right in. Step 1, launch your Phantom wallet app. Once you're in the home page, you'll see your assets listed. Make sure your wallet is connected to the Solana network. Step 2, now you need to select the Polygon token you want to swap. Tap on the token list and choose Matic or any other Polygon based token you have. This is important because we'll be swapping it for Solana. Step 3. After selecting your token, look for the swap option on the interface. Click on it. You'll see a drop down menu where you can select the target chain. Choose Solana from this menu. Step 4. Now enter the amount of Matic you want to swap for SOL. The app will automatically show you how much SOL you'll receive in return. Keep an eye on any fees associated with this cross-chain swap. They can vary. Step 5. Once you have satisfied with the amount and fees, hit the swap button. The wallet might prompt you to confirm the transactions. Just follow those instructions. Step 6. After a few moments, your transaction should be processed. Head back to your homepage and check your balance. You should now see your newly swapped Solana tokens reflected there. And there you have it. You have successfully swapped polygons for Solana using Phantom Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.